Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to you all. Today in the grade 5 for the subject social studies we are going to continue our lesson from the lesson 2, that is the Hittites and the Assyrians. So here we are studying from the unit 5, the ancient history, where we are studying the lesson that is the Hittites and the Assyrians. In this lesson we are going to continue from the pages that is 106 and 107. In the last lesson we have discussed about the Hittites, where we were talking about the Alexander the Great, who came from the Greek and who was from the Macedonia, the kingdom of the ancient kingdom of the Greek, and he has come there for the expansion of his kingdom. So now here the Alexander the Great, who ruled a strong empire and conquered the lands of Syria, Egypt, and most areas in Mesopotamia. So here we have been discussed this in our last lesson. Now here we are going to talk about the Assyrian Empire, where we are going to study the Assyrian Empire and the defense system in that time of the Assyrian Empire, and also we are going to see the journey of Assyrian journey to a new land. So here let's talk about the Assyrian Empire, who has started being known around 2300 BC, that is before the Christ. We call it as BC. For so many years the Assyrians occupied areas which were surrounded by stronger civilizations, and as a result of that they created their own defense system which depended on the strong army. So here they have created their own defense system which depended on the strong army. And here furthermore about their tradings, if we talk about their being the traders, the Assyrians traveled on donkeys for the Tigris and Euphrates in Iraq, carrying cloth and tin to be traded for gold, silver, and other metals in Turkey. So these are their tradings, where they were traveling for the trading of gold, silver, as well as other metals in Turkey. So this was their travel, they were being trading, doing trading over here. Now here further, if you move about the further part of the lesson, where the Assyrians learned how to make own tools and iron weapons from the Hittites, and interested in the riches of the surrounding empires, the Assyrians started attacking and torturing the people in surrounding city-states. As a result of that, they earned a reputation of extreme cruelty. Here now, with the time, the empire extended to reach the Mediterranean Sea, the Arabian Sea, the Arabian Gulf, and the Caspian Sea. Also here, it's the king who lived in the capital city of Nineveh. Here it was the king who was living in the capital city, that is Nineveh here. And moreover, we are going to see about the map of the Assyrian Empire. The Assyrian Empire, if you see the map of this, that which we can see it from the page, that is 107 here. The more clear picture we can see from about the map. Furthermore, in every spring the Assyrians started journeys to new lands which they conquered to collect more gold, cloth, slaves, artwork, or whatever their soldiers fancied. They were hated and despised by all people. So this is all about the Assyrian and their work, their tradings, and also about they were traveling for the purpose of trading. Also they have made their own army in the defense system. They became very strong. So that is what all about. We are talking about the the Assyrian Empire and their history. So here if you see the soldiers who were holding their weapons, this picture gives us an idea that the soldiers, they are holding their weapons here, and this is all about the Hittites and the Assyrian Empire. So with this we are going to conclude here the today's lesson. I will be back with the new video for the next lesson. Till then, thank you and goodbye.